Friends, let's start a very good case study on the Partnership Act for CA Foundation. ABC are partner having PSR of 2 to 1, where C is a minor and they are engaged in a rice business. A and B were forced to go outstation and instructed C not to sell rice for a 1 day till they come back. In the absence of A and B, C agreed to sell rice available in the shop to X at rupees 50 per kg, whereas the market rate was 45 per kg. Later on, X came to know that C was not having authority to sell rice. Can X take a plea that agreement is void ab initio? Now let's understand the provision of the Partnership Act. अब हमारे पास लॉ के प्रोविजन क्या रहे हैं? एज पर पार्टनरशिप एक्ट, ईच पार्टनर इज एजेंट ऑफ अदर पार्टनर. As per SOGA, agent having possession of goods can pass on good ownership to the buyer even when he has no authority to sell, provided buyer act in a good faith. As per SOGA, in case of specific goods, ownership transfer to the buyer at the time of the contract. अब conclusion पे आते हैं friend. Minor is an agent of the firm. Despite that he is not having authority, he passed on the ownership to the X as the rice was specific good, it was available in the shop. Since the ownership passed on to the X, the agreement was enforceable. The contention of the X that agreement is what ab initio is not right. The agreement is enforceable. Hope ये case study आपको समझ में आई होगी. Please do subscribe my channel for more such good case studies. Thank you.